Hello everyone. So today I have come up with this topic, that is theory of equations. Now in this topic, basically before this topic we are supposed to be aware about quadratic equation, which you need to have knowledge about to do this type of questions. Now I have taken a very specific question, that is, if you get any equation, it could be in degree 2, 3, 4 or more than that, and if they ask me something like this. Now for this particular example, try to understand. Over here I have a 4 degree equation, so it will surely have 4 roots. Over here we don't bother about whether the roots are real or imaginary. It will have 4 roots in a complex system. Now what happens over here is, if I ask you what is alpha power 4 plus beta power 4 plus gamma power 4 plus delta power 4. Now one of the way of solving this is using algebra, where you will apply different algebraic identities and formulas. Otherwise you will try to find the roots of this and then you will try to do power 4. That is going to take a lot of time. So let us see how can we do in a faster way. Now before doing this question, let us make the coefficient of the highest degree as 1. That could be done very easily by just dividing by whatever is the coefficient of x power 4 over here. Now after that, let us say if P4, if I want, I will go till P4 range. Now let us understand this pattern carefully. So at the top also you can see what it is. So at the top, if you see, there is no term in here, so then it will start from A3. Let's keep in mind, if it is degree 4, I will start with A3, A2, A1, A0 as usual. Now while doing this, please write below it itself so that it is easier. Now what you do is you start with this order for vertically. So P1, P2, P3, P4. Once you are done writing this, so this is one of the pattern. Now you do what? You write A3, 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 A3 here. Once you are done writing A3, it's like a step. You will now leave here, then you will write A2, 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 then it's done. Then you will write A1, A1, then this is done, then you will write A0. I hope this is making sense to you. A3, 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 leave the top, then A2, A2, leave you, A2, A2, and then leave the second one, then A1, A1, and then last A0. Now you look here, it's like a ladder where the value keeps on decreasing from the top. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is the next one. Now after doing this, you just have to simply place. If it is starting with P2, the next one will be P1. It can go up to P1 only. Then P3, P2, P1. P4, P3, P2, P1, and then this. That's all. Now what is P1? P1 is actually alpha plus beta plus gamma plus delta, which you know should actually come minus 3, right? Because it's always minus b by in any case. And if you look here, P2 is actually alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square plus delta square. So these are those representation. Now let us understand using an example. So over here I need to find, so they are asking me P4 again. So see, this is what I have. So what is my A3 over here? Minus 1. A2 is minus 7, A1 is 1 and A0 is 6. What we do? P1, P2, P3, P4. A3, A3, A3. One step you leave. A2, A2, A2. Leave another step. A1, A1. Leave another step. A0. Now you go in a ladder format like this with the last one. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Stop that. Now you have to multiply all the constant with PIs. That is P2 if there, the next one will be P1. P3, P2, P1, P4, P3, P2, P1. That's all. And when you substitute, you should get all these values which I have already calculated. So I will get P4 as 99. So for this question, if the roots are alpha, beta, gamma and delta, then alpha power 4 plus beta power 4 plus gamma power 4 plus delta power 4 is going to be 99. I hope this is clear. Now the question comes is that, ma'am, this is degree 4, so what you are doing is you are going till maximum degree 4. What about if I want degree 5? Or 6 further on, then how will I do it? We can do using the same procedure. So those who thought of this, you're on the right track, because whenever you solve something, you need to think further and get the answer for that. Now let us take the same question, and in the same question I want this, but it is degree 4. So what we do is basically we try to make this in degree 6. For that already degree 4 is there. If I multiply by x square, automatically this will become degree 6. That's what I am doing. After doing that, this is the equation that you will be getting at the end. So whichever term is missing or are missing, please put 0 for that. 0x and 0. After that, as usual, if it is degree 6, so it will start with A5, A4, A3, A2, A1 and A0. Right? Now, cycle starts. Vertically, P1, P2, P3 till P6. Then A5, A5, A5. Just below it. Just write like this. Then minus 7 will come. That means A4, A4, A4. One step you leave. A3, A3, A3. One step you leave. A2, A2, A2. One more step you leave. A1, A1. After that, a ladder starts like this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 multiplied with those constant. And after that, the third step is P2 is there, then P1 will come here, P3, P2, P1, P4, P3, P2, P1, like this you will keep on doing. And after that, you just have to substitute the value. Once you substitute that, here I have solved few, you should get P6 at 795. And this is the easiest way to get. If the question, see few questions, what happens is, I'll just tell you, there are many questions whose roots are very easy to find. So please don't spend time using this method. If you have done theory of equations, you know how to get the first root, second root, third root and all those things. If you can get the root within 2 minutes or within 5 minutes also, that also works. Then you directly proceed here. But the problem comes where if it comes in irrational or complex, then doing power 6 manually is gonna take time. That is the reason this method, whatever the answer is as a root, it will get you the exact one. I hope this is useful for you. See you soon in my next video. Thank you.